How to change name on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, go ahead and tap on the see more in account center option and then tap on the profiles option you see there at the top. Now, tap on your profile name and you will then see the name tab. So go ahead and tap on the name option there, and further, go ahead and make any required changes such as erasing the name and then adding the changes that you want. Make sure that Facebook only allows users to change your name once in 60 days and you cannot change it for 60 days once you change it. So make sure not to add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words since you will not be able to change it for 60 days. So this is how you can change name on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.